Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Wondershare Filmora on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Here's one thing that everyone asks. Is Filmora free? So no, it is not a free software. It is a very expensive software. And here's why I recommend it, because Adobe Premiere Pro, its rival, though it's a little better than Filmora, is very expensive, and Filmora offers almost all the features that a video editor requires, plus it's much easier and it's way cheaper. So if you want to consider Filmora, then I'll tell you how to do this. Now click on the Microsoft Store and search for Filmora, or you can search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it and then search for it. Now click on Wondershare Filmora and then click on install. This is a very heavy software, so it will need time. We will wait till then. So once Filmora is installed on your system, you will notice that the interface is much easier. You can import media and then you can create files and you can do a lot of stuff. So the interface, as you can see, is much easier than that of Adobe Premiere Pro, but it also has lesser options. But you can also use stock media, audio, tiles. So it is similar to Clipchamp, but the difference is that it has a lot of templates, and it has a lot of what do we say, fonts, and it has a lot more options than the free software products. And it is free for 30 days, so you can register and use it for free for 30 days. But the problem with the free version is that it would share a watermark with your video. So these days people have better options like DaVinci Resolve and all, so they don't prefer Filmora. But otherwise Filmora is great. You can add media, you can add stock, you can add titles and all, transitions and everything. It is very easy to use. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.